night with all my friends. Started to feel like me again. Hadn't been that happy in a while. Had drinks and we put a sad song on. You're oh so casually brought up. There goes my night and goes my smile. Cause I was 2 full years of voice down the drain, and I'm reminded that it all went to waste. So when my friends are asking if I miss you, what do I say? If I don't have, I'm gonna cry. I don't wanna hear it tonight. I'm finally happy, not in the mood. Don't wanna think about you. Made my way to the bathroom nonchalant, cause I felt like tears were coming on. It's not what I planned for my big night out. Took me hours just to do my makeup right. It's for the reason it gets ruined, I'll be pissed tonight. Either way